Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Lina Octavia, and today I'm going to talk about customer behavior in service. Understanding how customer behave when using service is very important for every business, especially because services are intangible and customers rely heavily on trust, perception, and experience. Okay, let's start with the definition. Customer behavior in service refers to the process and activities performed by individuals in searching for, selecting, using, and evaluating service to satisfy their needs and wants. It focuses on how customers interact with service providers, how they make decisions before the purchase, what they feel during the service process, and how they evaluate their satisfaction afterward. In other words, it's about understanding the customer journey from expectation to experience. And next, service customer have several unique characteristics compared to product consumer. First, they cannot test the service before buying it. For example, you can try a haircut or a hotel stay before paying for it. Second, consumers usually show high emotional involvement when making service decisions. They want to feel comfort, safety, and confidence. Third, trust and reputation play a huge role. role. When we choose a doctor, bank, or airline, we rely heavily on their credibility. And finally, the evaluation of service quality is subjective. It depends on perception, not only on measurable performance. What feels good service to one person may feel average to another. Now let's move to the stage of consumer behavior. There are five main stages. First, need recognition. When a person realizes they need a service such as a haircut or medical consultation. Second, information search. They start looking for available option, maybe online or from friends' recommendation. Third, evaluation of alternative. They compare different service providers based on price, reputation, or convenience. For purchase and consumption, they choose and use the service. This stage is critical because it shapes their overall experience. And last, post-purchase evaluation. After using the service, the customer evaluates satisfaction and decides whether to come back or not. Understanding this stage helps service providers design strategies to attract and retain customers effectively. Consumer behavior in service is influenced by several internal and external factors. Personal factors include age, job, income, and lifestyle. For example, young people prefer digital banking service, while older customers may prefer face-to-face interaction. Psychological factors involve motivation, perception, and attitude, such as being motivated by comfort or preferring a service of high quality due to good branding. Social factors include family, friends, and reference group. We often choose a cafe or salon because someone we know recommends it. And lastly, situational factors such as time, atmosphere, and the current economic condition that can influence decision. For example, people may reduce spending on premium service dining inflammation. In the service industry, quality is everything. Consumers usually judge service quality through four main dimensions: reliability means doing what the service can promise equality. Second, empathy show care and personal attention to customer. Third, responsiveness is about how quickly and effectively the provides help customer. And last, tangibility refers to physical aspects like facilities, uniforms, and cleanliness that support the service image. When all these dimensions are positive and consistent, they build customer loyalty. However, even a small dissatisfaction, such as slow response or rude service, can damage the customer's trust very quickly. Next, let's look at a real-life example. Consumer behavior in online transportation service, such as Gojek or Grab. Consumers usually choose this service based on price, speed, and driver ratings. They look at user review before making a booking. Positive experience like polite drivers, clean vehicles, and fast service lead to satisfaction and loyalty. Meanwhile, negative experience such as being late or unsafe make consumers switch to another platform. Therefore, the success of this service depends heavily on maintaining good digital reputation, promotion, ensuring consistent service quality. To conclude, consumer behavior in service is not only about what consumers buy, but also how they feel during the entire service experience. Their decisions are influenced by emotions, perceptions, and interaction with the service provider. Therefore, business must always focus on understanding customer needs, improving service quality, and creating meaningful experience that lead to satisfaction and loyalty. Maybe that's all I can share for today. Thank you so much for your attention, and I hope my presentation about consumer behavior in service can be useful for all of us. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.